Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing great. Today we are going to be showing you how to create an email address and then how to install it on Outlook. So please stay tuned on this episode. Firstly, you need to be on our website and you need to go to your services, right? And once you get to services tab, you click on our services so that we can log into Plesk. And then you can click on the active button on your far right. Great, then you can scroll down a bit and click on manage domains to log in on Plesk. And once you get to Plesk, you need to click on the mail tab, then click on mail accounts. Okay, good. Once you're there, you're going to see a blue button that says create email address. Click on that button and then you can type in your email address name. So in my case, it's going to be Emmanuel@thenola.co.za. Then we can generate a new password, copy it, and then paste it on the description. And then we can click OK. Okay, good. Once we're done is we are going to go on our far right of our domain and click the mail icon. It's going to take us to webmail. We're going to have to log in. Our username is going to be our full email address, and then the password is going to be the one we just created with. You can paste it, then log in, and then just like that we are actually logged in. And if you can notice on our address bar, we've got webmail.thenola.co.za. This is how we actually get to access our emails online anywhere. However, we need to go to Outlook now. I'm going to click on File, then click on Add Account. And then we're going to type in our email address, which is Emmanuel@thenola.co.za. Then we're going to click on Connect by pressing Enter. Then we're going to click on IMAP. And then on the server of the incoming mail, we're going to type in mail.thenola.co.za. However, in your case, it can be mail. Then your full domain name. Then on port number, it's going to be 993. Then encryption method is going to be SSL/TLS. Then you're going to need to check that. We're going to do the exact same thing we did on the server of the incoming mail. Mail.thenola.co.za. Then we're going to change the port number to 465. And then we're going to select our SSL, and then we're going to check that, then click on next. The differences is just the port numbers 993 and port 465. Then click next, and then we can paste in our password, then click contact. Okay, good. Looks like we're done installing our email on Outlook. Then we have to go back to Outlook and then click on, there's a few settings I need us to do. We can just click on File on our top right, then click on Account Settings, then click on Account Settings again, and then double click on our email address, and then we can replace the email on your name to your full name. So it's basically going to be Emmanuel Ngwenya. And then we're also going to replace the blankness on our organization and write Oner hosting. And then we're going to click next. And then we're going to click done, close, and then we're going to have to go back to File on our top left. And then click on Options right at the bottom. And then click on Mail. Then under compose messages, we're going to have to look for signatures. It's going to be on our far right. And then here, this is where we actually get to create an email signature. To replace or create a new signature, just click on the image icon there, and it's going to require you to actually upload your own email signature. And you're going to have to click on save. However, if you want to create a new one, you can just click on new. Then it's going to require you to actually select an image, and then you can fill it in. Then you can assign it to your email. Then just like that, you can just click OK, and then it's going to be applied. Then when you click on new email, and it's gonna pop up right under your email. So just like that, this is how you actually get to create an email signature. It's as easy as that. We've just created an email address and installed it on Outlook in less than 5 minutes. So if you've got any questions or concerns, please drop your comments down below. We'd be glad to read them and answer them. Other than that, thank you very much for your time and see you next time.